Importance of metal partitions in room decor. Metal partitions are a versatile and stylish solution for dividing spaces while adding a touch of modernity and sophistication to a room's decor. Here are some reasons why metal partitions are important in room decor. 1. Defines spaces. Metal partitions help define different areas within a larger space, creating separate zones for various activities. This can be especially useful in open-plan living areas, offices, or commercial spaces. 2. Adds visual interest. Metal partitions can add visual interest to a room, creating a focal point or adding texture and depth to a space. With various designs, materials, and finishes available, metal partitions can be tailored to fit any aesthetic or functional requirement. 3. Enhances aesthetic appeal. Metal partitions can enhance the aesthetic appeal of a room, adding a touch of elegance and sophistication. They can be used to create a modern, industrial, or minimalist look, depending on the design and materials used. 4. Provides flexibility. Metal partitions are flexible and can be used in a variety of settings, from homes and offices to commercial spaces and public areas. They can be customized to fit specific needs and requirements. 5. Durable and low maintenance. Metal partitions are durable and require minimal maintenance, making them a practical solution for high-traffic areas. They can withstand wear and tear, and are easy to clean and maintain. 6. Creates a sense of separation. Metal partitions can create a sense of separation between different areas of a room, providing privacy and defining spaces without blocking natural light. 7. Versatile design options. Metal partitions come in a range of designs, from sleek and modern to ornate and decorative. They can be customized with various materials, such as glass, wood, or stone, to create a unique and stylish look. By incorporating metal partitions into a room's decor, individuals can create a functional, stylish, and modern space that meets their specific needs and requirements.